This is Fynsor, an AI-native commercial real estate intelligence platform that we built to solve a fundamental problem in CRE investing. The data exists, but it's scattered across dozens of disconnected sources: county appraisal records, market analytics, financial modeling, ownership intelligence, comparable transactions. Investors spend weeks manually stitching this together for every deal. Fynsor consolidates all of this into one platform. What you're looking at is a live intelligence layer covering every commercial property in Dallas County, Texas. We ingested and processed 79,000 properties from the Dallas Central Appraisal District, then filtered to 44,000 investable assets, automatically removing all government-owned parcels and vacant land. Every property runs through 7 machine learning models, a transaction comp engine, and Monte Carlo risk simulation. The platform pulls live economic data from the Federal Reserve, Bureau of Labor Statistics, and daily market news through web intelligence feeds. This intelligence briefing updates daily: corporate relocations, infrastructure projects, zoning changes, the signals that move CRE markets before they show up in the data. The investment screener is where the platform goes from information to action. Instead of manually filtering spreadsheets, the investor selects from 20+ AI-driven strategies, each powered by different combinations of our analytical models. Industrial outdoor storage is one of the hottest asset classes in CRE right now. High demand, constrained supply, recession-resistant cash flows. This preset filters for properties with large parcels, low building coverage, and industrial zoning, the defining characteristics of iOS. From 44,000 properties, the platform instantly surfaces the strongest iOS targets ranked by our scoring models. Let me click into one and show you what the platform knows. This is the full intelligence profile for 3100 North Beltline Road, Irving, Texas. The Overview tab gives you everything at a glance: parcel size, building square footage, coverage ratio, year built, condition, zoning. That low building coverage is exactly what makes this property attractive for industrial outdoor storage. The platform has already scored this property across every dimension. The Predictive tab is where our AI models take over. The 7-factor value forecast projects appreciation over 1, 3, and 5 years with confidence intervals. The Monte Carlo simulation runs 5,000 scenarios to estimate expected IRR, value at risk, and probability of loss. And the deal scoring model synthesizes everything into a single conviction tier, telling the investor how strongly the data supports this acquisition. Once you've identified a target, the deal analyzer models the full acquisition and everything is interactive. The platform auto-populates assumptions from actual property data: rent per square foot, operating expenses, cap rate, but the investor can override anything at any time. Every assumption is configurable. This property models to 20.9% IRR with a 2.33 equity multiple over a 5-year hold. When we view the Capital Stack tab, this lets you structure the deal in real time. Adjust the loan-to-value with the slider, toggle on mezzanine debt, add preferred equity, and the weighted average cost of capital recalculates instantly. Presets let you compare structures quickly: conservative, standard, aggressive, or full capital stack with mezz and preferred. The sensitivity matrix tests how returns change when any 2 variables move. Here, we're varying exit cap rate against rent growth across 25 scenarios. The highlighted cell is our base case. This is where Fynsor goes beyond traditional analytics. The AI Insights engine connects Claude, Anthropic's large language model, directly to our entire database. For example, what are the top 5 undervalued industrial properties with high conviction scores? Instead of writing database queries or filtering spreadsheets, the investor asks questions in plain English. The response references actual properties with actual addresses, actual values, and actual scores, because the AI has the full context of our entire property database injected into each and every query. This isn't generic market commentary, it's a research analyst that has memorized every property in the county. The predictive analytics page aggregates our models across the entire market. This table shows projected appreciation by property type, which asset classes our models expect to outperform over the next year. And these are the 25 properties with the highest projected upside, each one clickable for the full intelligence profile. On the risk analysis tab, you can see the risk return scatter plots, where every property is charted by expected return versus volatility, the same framework institutional allocators use to build efficient portfolios. Fynsor is an AI-native intelligence layer for commercial real estate, not a listing service, not a CRM, an analytical engine that transforms raw public records into institutional-grade investment intelligence through machine learning, Monte Carlo simulation, and large language models working together. Today it covers Dallas County. The architecture is designed for multi-county expansion. Tarrant, Collin, and Harris counties are next, covering the two largest CRE markets in Texas. But the long-term vision is bigger than a dashboard. The intelligence layer we built is designed to be consumable, not just by humans through this interface, but by AI agents through a raw API. As autonomous deal sourcing agents emerge in commercial real estate, Fynsor becomes the data spine they query. We're building the infrastructure layer for AI-powered real estate investment.